How to fix Snapchat public profile not showing. So if you want to fix your Snapchat public profile not showing, then what you need to do is first open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, go with the upper left, which has that profile option. And you need to go with the settings option, which is on the upper right. And under settings, now you need to scroll down, and here you will have privacy control, and tap on contact me. And under contact me, make sure that you have set it to your friends and contacts or your friends, but not only me. Once you've done that, now you just need to go back, and here you will have public profile, right? So you just need to simply tap on the public profile. Once you're on the public profile, go with the settings, which is on the upper right. Scroll down and tap on clear public profile. Tap on clear. And once you clear your public profile, then again go with the profile, which is on the upper left, and then you need to tap on create public profile, and you need to create your public profile. Then after that, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, you need to go back, go with your profile, go with settings, scroll all the way down, go with clear cache, and tap on continue. Once you clear your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then again open up your Play Store, go with search. Under search, you need to search for Snapchat. Under Snapchat, if you have any updates, you just need to simply go and update your Snapchat. Once you update it, your problem will be fixed. So make sure to restart your device, and after that, you will fix your Snapchat public profile not showing. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.